Hello and welcome. In this video, we will take a look at the smartQED Jira app and understand how to work with notes, attachments and clues on the smartQED product, and also observe how our activities get pushed and get recorded in the Jira ticketing tool so that Jira remains a single source of truth. I'm joined here by my colleagues who will work with me on different parts of this investigation map. I'm working on memory issue, which is under my DB issue. Now, during the course of this investigation, we often want to make some notes or scribbles in our scribble pad. And to do that, we have to add a note here. And here I want to capture something like checking here for anomalies. We can save a note. Now that's okay when the text that I want to capture is short. Sometimes the text is voluminous and I do not have the time, and neither do I have the energy to make that kind of an effort because the clock is ticking, in which case I can just copy a part of the log file and attach it here as an attachment. In this case I've selected a PNG, but this will ideally be a log file or a part of your log file or any other piece of data that you want to capture here without having to type all of that in. So that goes for notes and attachments. When we do that, an icon comes here, and if we go to Jira, we will see that that information has been captured. Attachment uploaded, note captured. So anything and everything that we are doing in the smartQED fishbone is getting captured in Jira. Another thing that's important from an investigations point of view are clues. These are typically symptoms of the problem, and I'm going to add a clue here. Clues are typically represent symptoms of the problem, and they are the first level of manifestations, typically something that we see in our log messages. In this case, I observed something like a SQL error 1037 out of memory in my log, and this happened an hour ago, so I'm going to capture that in the event time and log it. Clues are usually indicative of an underlying root cause and very critical for an investigation. Now we add a clue. Some of my colleagues have also added their own clues, and we can see these light bulbs, which means that those clues have been pinned to these causes. And if we go to Jira, we will see that Jira has made a record of the fact that these clues have been added and these clues have been pinned. Thank you for watching.